Fine, you can have her, but don't think that I won't be back. He says he's coming back.
Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
Toys.
Marcello's fingerlings love to live a happy life quietly in their tree where they hang and they play. But one day, the Untamed decided to come and take over their tree. Watch what happens to them and see how we have to save them when we release the Untamed.
Fingerlings, it's time to eat. It's time to feed my fingerlings. They're hanging on the tree. Let's go. It's kind of dark. I need to use my flashlight. What's that over there? It looks like a box. Oh my! Wait, look. Where's my fingerlings? Where are my fingerlings? I can hear them. Alright, we need to open up this box. You're so scared, but it glows in the dark.
Oh my gosh, look!
It's 2 dinosaurs.
They're in the wild. The only way to save your fingerlings is to unleash the Untamed. Did you hear what he just said?
Yes.
We have to unleash the Untamed. Who's the Untamed?
I think it's the dinosaur up here.
They look like they ate him. I can hear the fingerlings. Are they in the box? No, they're not. Oh my gosh. I think you need to open up this box.
Yeah, that's the only way to get my fingerlings.
Okay. Can you move these? Are you able to pick them up?
Yeah, I'm able to.
Oh, gross. It's a dead carcass. Watch out. They're going to bite you.
No, they're not. These ones are gentle. I saw them before and I teach them good lessons and I told them to be nice. So when I touch them or anybody else, they'll be gentle.
Oh, what's inside there?
Ah! Snakes!
Oh, go dig in. Let's see what's in there.
Yes. A cauldron.
A coffin.
A coffin.
Look! Look inside. There's a cage in there. Oh my gosh, it's glowing. There's another. Oh my gosh, there's another dinosaur and it's glowing. You gotta take him out.
Oh, what's inside this coffin?
What's in there?
It's him.
Bones! You must get rid of the beast. Unleash him. You have to unleash the beast. You see that crank over there?
Yeah.
Okay, turn it towards you. Let me move this out of the way so you can turn it. He's gonna come at you. Ooh, he's fierce.
Yeah.
Go get his brother. He's even more fierce.
Oh, it's a fingering that's
There he is. Let's get him. There he is. Wow, he is just bones.
When he said
He says over 40 sounds.
oh,
Wow.
brother
And he glows in the dark.
Yeah, but what his brother said was he's even more fierce and he's dead, and that's what he meant because he only has bones.
You're right. What's his name? Can we see his name? We have Doom. So there's 2 of these glow-in-the-dark T-Rex that need to be... Oh, look at that. Look how cool he looks when he's all lit up. Look, watch. Whoa. Let's get him out of the box and maybe he'll tell us where we can find your fingerlings, okay?
Yeah. Doom, can you help us get our fingerlings now?
You want to know where your fingerlings are?
Yes!
Do you hear them?
Yes!
They're making a ruckus in the trees. I want her for myself. No, you can't have Gigi. Oh my god. He's freaking out. He wants to keep Gigi. You can't keep Gigi. She's a special and magical unicorn. Fine, you can have her, but don't think that I won't be back. He says he's coming back. Wait, let's get them down. Look at this. It's a glow-in-the-dark cage. These poor fingerlings. Oh no. Poor babies.
Yeah, poor babies.
Oh
Well,
my
since
gosh.
well, when I get every one of you out and in my hands, I'll hold you, and then we'll be feared. And now let's get Gigi.
We're gonna get Gigi now. We got you, Gigi.
Yeah, we're gonna get you.
Oh, we got you. We got you.
We're gonna get you. Don't worry, Gigi.
She's in a magical ball. Look. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, wait, let's get Gigi out now.
Did you save her?
Yeah, I saved her.
Oh, there she is. Oh. Thank you so much, Doom.
Yeah, thank you so much. Me.
Oh.
The Fingerlings said yay, and they kissed me too, because I saved them.
What do we say to Wowie?
Thank you so much, Wowie.
We had so much fun releasing the Untamed and saving our fingerlings.
Yeah.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys.
And have a great day. Have a glow in the dark Fingerlings Day, dinosaur.
Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubey Toys. Today I'm going to show you how to play with your jailbreak set for your Untamed dinosaur fingerlings. Big thank you to Wowie for sending us 2 new dinosaurs to show you and this cool jailbreak set. As you can see, our fingerling dinos do not like to be locked up, but you have to put them in there to tame them. Otherwise, they can go on the loose and take your fingerlings like they did to Marcello's. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. Did you like our intro? Did you think it was funny? Let us know in the comments below. It has a sturdy handle for you to take it anywhere you want, and you could hold 2 fingerling dinos inside. There are actually 2 ways to enter. Through the side, where you could open it from the side and see your fingerling dinos in there. They sit perfectly on these little stands. Close it up. This side remains locked, and this side for extra protection. Then, watch as your fingerling dinos become unleashed. After placing your fingerling dinos inside of the jailbreak set, make sure you close it up by following the simple instructions. They're all alphabetized, so you would close A first, then B, then C, then D. Uh-oh, sounds like they want to get out. 3, 2, 1, make sure you hold the handle and pull the lever. Whoa! Pull the lever. Whoa! Pull the lever. Whoa! This is Doom. And the baby even got scared. Doom is so cool. He has a skeletal body, and guess what, guys? You can see him even better in the dark, as you saw in the beginning in our video. He is so awesome. He glows in the dark, and he responds to different touches. Don't forget to get his brother, Gloom. He also glows in the dark. So Doom and Gloom. Tap his nose for different reactions. Tap the back of his head once, twice, or 3 times for surprise reactions. He just farted. If you touch different sensor points, different things will happen. This is an awesome gift for the holidays or for Halloween. When he gets charged up, he rages and roars. We love our new fingerling dinos and this awesome jailbreak set. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel and check our video description for information on how to get your own fingerling dinos. They are the Untamed. Have a roar-tastic day. Thanks a lot, Wowie.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah.